Hi guys. Okay, so I'm getting ready. Okay, wait, hold up. I have to do an intro. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, you're always welcome here. Okay, got hands on. I'm super excited because I haven't filmed a video in a while, and I was like, why not? I should film one. I was watching an old video of mine. It was like a makeup tutorial, and I realized how differently I do my makeup now. Not only do I only use clean skincare and makeup, clean meaning organic, vegan, cruelty-free, and mostly plant-based brands, but the way I do my makeup is completely different, like completely different. So today we're going to do it together. I'm going to get ready because I'm heading out. So I'm going to do my makeup exactly how I do it now, like regularly, to go to work, to go out, but on the side I'm gonna have like step by step. As I'm doing the steps, I'm gonna have also like clips of how I used to do it back in a day. Yeah, anyways, I'm really excited for you guys to see. And then not only that, okay, this is what I'm really excited about. I'm so excited to share with you guys some of my new favorite products. All my skincare and makeup is now clean, plant-based, vegan, organic, and all the wonderful other things. So I'm really excited to introduce you guys to some brands or to share. You know what I mean? Alright, let's get into it though, because I only have a limited time. Okay, the first step is moisturizer, and for my moisturizer, I now use Kinks Super Mellow Moisturizer. I love it. It smells good. It's really light and it's really hydrating. I have my moisturizer on, so I'm going to use my sunscreen. And for my sunscreen, I use the Kinks Self-Reflect Sunscreen. I love. People are always worried that like it has a tint, but it doesn't have a tint. It's a really nice sunscreen. I like it, especially if you have sensitive skin. I definitely recommend. So I just lightly shape my brows. I actually don't do everything that I used to do. This is what I do to my brows. In the morning, when I'm getting ready for work, my makeup literally takes me like less than, like I do my makeup probably in 10 minutes and under. The longest thing that takes me is probably getting dressed, because my makeup, I can get it done within 10 minutes. For primer and foundation, I'm going to be using EXA. The primer is the Jumpstart Soothing Primer, and then the foundation, I'm in the shade Jessica. But my favorite vegan foundation is Tower 28. It has SPF 30. It feels skin-like. It just sits there. Actually, today we're going to use that one. Yeah, we're going to use that one because I like the EXA one, but it's not my favorite thing in the world. I do love the primer though, so I'm going to use the primer, and then I'm going to use the Tower 28 foundation. Ooh, you guys, I love that foundation. I only have a sample of it. I haven't gotten the full size because it keeps running out in my shade. It's really popular. I recommend it to people all the time because I love how it feels on my skin. It's really soothing, lasts all day, barely moves. Okay, so this is another thing that I'm doing now, but it used to freak me out in the past. I use my hands to blend out my foundation. Am I talking too much? I feel like I'm talking too much and I'm talking too fast. Okay, so I put most of the foundation around my mouth area because that is the area that I want more coverage. I blend that out first with my hands, and then I blend upwards. Whatever is left, I put on my forehead. I don't put foundation on my forehead because when I do have foundation on my forehead, when it's too much, I feel like it looks too cakey. It looks too much. So I don't put foundation on my forehead anymore. So I start around my mouth and I blend up. I apply it like I'm applying sunscreen, guys. I'm going to tap it in. Guys, this foundation, oh my gosh, I love, and I love that it has SPF. So if you don't like to wear sunscreen, although I don't believe that SPF 30 is enough sunscreen, but you know what I mean? It just looks like skin. For my concealer, I'm going to use KNOTLESS, okay? And I'm going to blend my under eye. You guys, I don't use I use my hands for my concealer because I realize it warms it up and it just blends so much more smoother and it looks a lot more natural and just better on me anyway, for me. Now that I have that, I'm gonna go ahead and set my whole face. For setting powder, I use RMS setting powder. All my brushes are Charlotte Tilbury. I own like maybe 3-4 brushes now. I used to have every type of brush, you guys. Now I barely use brushes. How the world has changed. Alright, so I'm gonna set my under eye. Next step would be, what would I do next? I'm gonna do my contour. My bronzer is by Kosas as well. And you know what's crazy? Like back in the day, I would have like baked under my eye. I would have double, triple contoured. That's the crazy part. So then let's do blush. My blush, usually I use Tower 28, but I don't want to use liquid today. So I'm going to use the Jones Road blush. I already have some because it was on my brush, but the shade that I'm using is Dusty Rose. And by the way, we love Jones Road. Bobbi Brown was nice, but Jones Road is amazing. I love how every product could be multi-use. She has this amazing lip balm that go on the face, that go on the cheeks, eyes, and lips. Amazing. Like all her products are multi-use, and I really, really, really love them. Okay, blush and contour is on. I do put a little bit on my nose. Oh, I do take a little bit of the bronzer and I put it on my eyelids because I haven't bought. Oh, actually I do. I have the Jones Road glitter eyeshadow. Okay, I'm gonna. I wasn't even planning to do eyeshadow today, but you know what? I said I would do full face, so I'm gonna show you guys. I know this video is so chaotic. I'm sorry, but this is how I actually get ready. Remember back in the day when I used to sit in front of the lights and everything and I used to film like a proper person? You know why I stopped doing YouTube, you guys? It was just like not exciting anymore. And I hate doing things that used to be exciting for me, but they've stopped being exciting. But now it feels exciting again, so I'm back. Like, once I stop enjoying activities that I used to enjoy, I just don't do it anymore because like I started doing YouTube because it was so much fun and I was having so much fun and you know, like I was having so much fun and then it wasn't fun anymore and I didn't want to keep doing it and kind of like tint even the whole experience because at some point it was just like, it was so exhausting. It felt like a job and I was just like, bro, like this is something I was having fun doing and I'm no longer having fun doing it. So that's why I stopped doing it, but I'm back now. By the way, if you want to like contour your nose, the best natural way to do it is to connect it to your eyeshadow. Like take the leftover eyeshadow and just brush it down. Oh my god, that instant contour. For eyeshadow, we're going to be using the Jones Road Sparkle Wash. It's in the shade, oh yeah, Sparkle Wash. These are the liquid eyeshadow things by Jones Road. They're really easy to apply and they go on and they don't crease. They don't like get tacky, whatever, but they do separate a little bit, but they're cute and she has them in many colors. It does dry down quick, so you want to make sure you're moving quick. And then I'm going to do eyeliner, like on my waterline. I'm also going to be using the Jones Road Best Pencil Crayon in the shade Black. The Tower 28 mascara, I left it at work in my locker, but guys, that one is so amazing. This one is amazing as well. It gives you length. It comes off so easy. The reason why I like the Tower 28 is because it's a little bit curved, but they do the same. Like, oh, the lashes are so lengthy, so dark, and it doesn't get tacky, doesn't crump up, and it comes off so easy. I need to stop talking. Okay, so my mascara is on. Guys, I love this mascara. I'm going to use these two shades for my lips. Both of these are from Tower 28. You guys, I'm obsessed with Tower 28. if someone was to come and put a gun to my head and said, pick one makeup brand that's clean, vegan, organic, that you could wear for the rest of your life, I'd be like Tower 28. It wouldn't even take me a second. I would literally just shout it out. The shades are, these are multi-use liner, by the way. This shade is called Draw On Me, which is a beautiful brown. I wear all the time. I love it. And then I'm gonna mix this shade Work of Art. Guys, it's so creamy. It goes on like butter. And then it lasts all day. Guys, I wear it in the morning to work, and by the time I come home, I still have this lip liner on my lips. I kid you not. I eat, I drink, I talk. If you know me, you know I talk. I am going to take my favorite gloss in the whole world. I love this gloss. I don't know what else to tell you. I'm obsessed with this gloss. I'm going to set my face using the Illa setting spray. This is the Blue Light Mist. Oh, guys, it feels so good. It smells so good. There's no way that you would try it and not be obsessed with it. I actually love all the products that I use. I'm very comfortable with them. In terms of the skincare, I've been trying a lot of new skincare, so I'm giving my skin a little break right now. But yeah, I really love all the makeup that I'm using now. I feel like I'm more selective about what I use on my skin now than I was back then. Back then it was just about like what did the job, what made my skin look good, but now it's about what makes my skin look good and what makes my skin feel good. Okay guys, so that's it for today. I love how my hair turned out and my makeup. I feel really cute. This is like my everyday makeup. Yeah, thank you for watching this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on TikTok if you want to see more videos. I'm going to be back to posting on YouTube. I want to post more of my skincare and just like my everyday get ready stuff. So maybe I'll post once a week. I can't promise 3-4 times a week, but I can do once a week. I can do once a week. I like it. I found something to obsess over, and it's giving me the kick that I needed. So yeah, I'm going to be posting more of my new journey transitioning into clean skincare and makeup. Yeah, I loved doing this video, like comparing how I used to do my makeup and how I do it now. It's crazy. How I used to do it was amazing back then. It worked for me, but I can't imagine doing my makeup that way now. I love how I do it now. I feel like I look softer now. I'm younger, healthier. So yeah. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.